Hi there, everybody. Hey, welcome to today's video. This is Marybeth Angelelli. I am excited to be here to share with you the new updated copy and paste ads system. Now, this system has been around for quite a while now, okay? Believe it came out in 2018, but most recently, this past month, July 2023, lots of great new enhancements, upgrades to the back office. This is a very simple copy and paste ad system. You might be asking exactly what is copy and paste ads? Well, it's a system that anybody can join. It's very affordable. As a matter of fact, $29 one-time admin fee, 0 monthly fees, and only $100 gets you a complete membership to this very back office where everything that you need to start working the system so the system can work for you and you can start getting paid $100 instant pay commissions to your favorite payment processor. This is member to member. Okay, it's a reverse one-up comp plan. So the way this works, very simple. You get to keep your first $100. You pass up only your second, and then you keep your third onward and upward to infinity. But the beauty of this is there's some nice leverage built into it because everybody that joins you will be passing up cell number 2 to you. So not only will you be earning from your own personal efforts, but you'll also be earning from the efforts of your team members. You get their second cell, folks. That's exciting. It really is. This is the back office. Like I said, a lot of new updates, upgrades, and enhancements recently have been put into the system. Now, the system's been running strong since around 2018. Fast forward July of 2023, and some great, exciting things have been put in place, folks, in motion, so that members can get even better results through their consistent marketing efforts. Now, you definitely have to work this program. I recommend showing up every single day, putting in time, putting in effort, and being consistent so that you can achieve desirable results. You get to keep 100% commissions. Okay, so for every person that joins you directly, you get $100. And you can get paid however you want. There is Bitcoin, there is Square, there is Stripe now, there's Cash App, there's Venmo. You can do Zelle. There's a manual area that you can input your preferred payment methods such as Zelle, Wise, whatever you like, folks. Okay, whatever works for you, you can go ahead and put in there. So very, very easy. Here's back here. You're going to start here, okay? And all you're going to do is follow these simple 5 steps, okay? First one is you're going to set up your payment processors. Now you're going to go ahead and, watch a short little video, and then you'll be setting up your payment processors. It's literally set and forget, once and done. Once all this is set up, folks, all you have to do is go out there and advertise and copy and paste the ad copy that is provided for you, okay? Now you can take this program, you can take it anywhere you want to go with it. Free methods, free classifieds, social media marketing. You can do very low cost paid. You can do paid ads. You can scale up as you go. There's really an endless amount of possibilities as to, how and where you can advertise this. It's going to be dependent on you and how much time you are able to devote to your copy and paste ads business, and also your resources and your budget. All right? So anyways, after first step 1, okay, you set up your payment processors, very easy. Step 2, you update your profile, okay, very easy. You just fill out a form, there's different fields in there, and it's required that you fill out all of them and complete them and then save and submit it. Now here's where you're going to go. Step number 3, very exciting. Sample ads. This is where you're going to locate and find to utilize your sample ads that you're going to take out and start to copy, paste, and post. Okay, very, very easy. Step 4, different places to post your ads. They literally have removed the guesswork, all the guesswork literally out of the equation, and giving you the ad copy and giving you the places to advertise and to post, ones that have been tested and proven to work for the system, which has been going strong, folks, since 2018. So you've got 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, currently in its 6th year of successful operations. I think that speaks volumes, folks, okay? It really, truly does. Again, tremendous value, training, content, ad copy, places to advertise, $100, that is it, okay? No complex compensation plans whatsoever. You just pass up your second sale, and there's no monthly fees, no monthly fee requirements or volumes, none of that. $29 one-time admin, member to member. Your membership's only $100, folks, okay? And you're getting so much value for that dollar amount, for that one-time investment, okay? And then there's different done-for-you traffic, from rotators, there's offline marketing, there's newspapers, there's paid marketing, there's text message marketing, there's clicks, there's solo ads. There's a whole bunch of different places for you to select from, okay? So right up here, okay, start here, and you're going to watch a video, new members training, very, very important. You want to watch this overview, okay? This overview tutorial is going to get you acclimated, and it's going to show you exactly what to do and how to get set up properly for the best results and success, okay? Then you complete your profile, and that's pretty much it. This is where you can view all your contacts. You can add contacts in here. Here's your pages, folks. Here are your pages, beautiful variety and selection of capture pages right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, currently 8 pages, and here is your sales page. So you just select which one you want to make your primary, and then you make this one your redirect. Very, very easy. It comes complete with its own built-in autoresponder and follow-up emails going out for you on your behalf for an extended period of time. No need to, seek out a third-party autoresponder unless you absolutely want to get one, folks. But, that's totally up to you. Okay, but if you don't have one, no worries whatsoever. Don't stress, because this comes with its own built-in autoresponder, and it has several already pre-written follow-up emails ready to go, going out for you once somebody opts into your capture page, okay? So that's where your pages are located, your team. You can track your team. There's a variety of tools here to track your statistics. Your ad tracking and your autoresponder emails are located right here, folks, okay? Here's your different resources. Now, actually, down here is where you are going to locate your resources. These have all been updated and added. Here is going to be your training, your member training, your sample ads, different places, folks, free, low-cost, paid, online, offline, to advertise your copy and paste ads business, okay? And then Craigslist, all the recommendations, the tips on how to post to be successful, as well as the best cities to be posting in, okay? You've got your sample ads right here, Craigslist posting tips and cities, plus 100 places to advertise, okay? So there's something here literally, folks, for everybody, okay? Within the sample ads section. Then you've got website traffic. We've got a texting blast software if you want to do SMS text message marketing. We've got Hercules, where you can put up $20 ads, very, very affordable. And folks, this has been one of my personal best and favorites, called Udemy. You can go to udemy.com, create a free account, and then there you will find and be able to easily locate hundreds upon hundreds of solo ad vendors where you can start to purchase clicks. And the smallest package is 100 clicks. Starts at 40 cents a click. So you're looking right around $40 for 100 clicks right over here, folks. Now, when you partner up with me, I'm going to be sharing with you, exactly what I do, my little daily blueprint, my DMO, daily method of operation, so to speak, exactly what I do each day and where I am advertising, free and low cost paid. And this is something that's very doable, very scalable. And this is something that you can work your way into, folks. But this is an excellent resource right here, the udemy.com. Okay, and all you have to do is just send them your link to your website. They will write the ad copy. You select your package, whether it's 100 clicks, 150 clicks, 200 clicks, and then you make your payment. And then as soon as they are ready, you can go ahead and schedule your ad. They'll let you know what days they have available, the next upcoming day available, and you just select when you want that ad to go out, and they will go ahead and send it out for you. Very, very easy. In my opinion, from my experience, one of the best effective places to be advertising over at udemy.com. Now, if you're starting out, folks, there's a wide variety of different sites, different classified sites. Craigslist, you can put up, Craigslist posts, little as $5, so super low cost. We've got social media marketing. If you're into social media marketing, by all means, folks, definitely make good utilization of it. I mean, we've got Facebook, we have got Instagram, we've got YouTube. There's a lot of different places like TikTok that you can go and you can advertise for free. Okay? But everything here is for you to follow. You got a texting software, so you can do texting campaigns. You can do Hercules. You can do Udemy. Here's additional income streams, new member training right here, folks. Okay, you can check all of this out by clicking on this little icon right here. And they're going to give you a whole bunch of different places, folks. We've got free, lots and lots of free places, lots and lots of low cost. We've got online, we've got offline. You can start from where you are, scale up, layer on. And once you start making those $100 commissions, folks, they add up nicely and quickly, then you can reinvest and scale up your business, okay? And then here's your Craigslist posting tips and cities section, places to advertise, all your sample ads literally awaiting you right here at your fingertips, and then your training, step-by-step training, okay, to show you exactly what to do. Very easy. And then your payment processors, you select what you want. So I just want to show you this real quick. Here we've got Bitcoin, we've got Square, we've got Stripe, we have Cash App, we have Venmo, and Manual. So Manual is reserved for, if you have your own preferred method of payment. For example, Zelle, you have to say that, I accept Zelle, and then you would provide them with either your cell phone or your email address. However you have Zelle set up, it's bank to bank. There's also Wise, so you would basically give somebody, and Wise works out really great too for, outside of the United States, internationals, your name and your email address. And then if you want to use, like I say, Zelle is bank to bank, so you either provide, your email address or your cell phone. So you just set that up and you type in your instructions here for any additional methods such as Wise, Zelle, and those type of methods. Okay, so whatever works for you, folks. Currently, I am accepting Stripe, so I can accept debit and credit cards. We've got Cash App, and we have Venmo. And of course, I can also do Wise. So if you have any questions, the link to my website is going to be right below. You're just going to go there. You're going to enter your best email address. You're going to be simply redirected over to a little bridge page that I created, totally optional. And then on that page, you're going to find a button. And that button is going to go, I'll show you exactly where that button is going to go, to my sales page. So let me try to pop that in here for you. Okay, so we're going to go off of here. Oops, I don't know if I can do it or not, but let's give it a whirl. All right. So we're going to put this in here. For some reason, it's not going in here, but let's just double check it. Okay. Because I want to try to show this to you. Okay, there we go. Sorry about the delay there. Okay, so anyways, sorry about that, folks. Here is the sales page, which has been updated recently as well. Okay, and there's a great new video, AI generated. Definitely watch it. It's a little over 4 minutes long, okay? It explains everything really easily. And this system, by and large, folks, is very, very automated, okay? You don't want to talk to anybody. You don't have to talk to anybody. It's a very affordable program. It's really a no-brainer. It has great potential, but of course, I can't make any income claims, guarantees, or promises because I simply don't know what anybody's going to do once they gain access into their system, into their back office, nor do I know anybody's work ethic. But if you take a program like this, folks, serious, show up every single day, get those ads posted, or get yourself out there, get your website out there, do what it takes, folks, and start earning instant pay commissions. Can do this, folks, daily. It's totally up to you. The sky is the limit, okay? So definitely watch this video, check out the business model, make sure you read that in its entirety, and then check out testimonials, okay? Don't just take my word for it, folks. Listen to what other successful members of the copy and paste ads business have to say about it, okay? And folks, these are not, fake actors or actresses. They're not paid testimonials. These are real people. As a matter of fact, everybody that is here is a top marketer in the industry, and I know all of these people, recognize all of these wonderful individuals right here, folks, okay? And they've done very well with the system as well, okay? I mean, this system is for anybody, folks, complete newbies to seasoned veteran marketers, irregardless of, what your background is. You don't have to bring any previous knowledge, expertise, education, or experience to the table. I mean, it's very user-friendly. Something that you can just, make some nice extra money with this summer and just have fun doing it and sharing it with other people, folks. There's so many different places. Here's exactly what your VIP membership is going to give you. Don't forget about the bonus right here. All upgrades this month. So anybody that, pays the $100 plus a $29 admin is going to be included in the 3,000 login page ads and 3,000 banner ad credits on our new Auto Builder advertising platform. If you need support, you just click it right here, okay? So you contact support to redeem after you join and set up your profile. So it's very easy. Just follow the instructions as you go along. When you're ready to purchase, you click on this Buy Now button. You make your one-time $29 admin, and then you'll be redirected to pay that one-time $100, okay? So you get your pre-written ads, classified ads, email ads, and more. 100 places to post your ads, step-by-step instructional videos, recorded training and webinars, CAPA ad tracking software, access to private Facebook groups, 7+ lead capture pages and funnels, 15+ autoresponder messages, all pre-written, ready to go. Reverse one comp plan, like I indicated earlier. You only pass up your second sale, and everybody's going to pass up number 2 to you, okay? And then you start earning $100 for every VIP membership after you pass up that second sale. The first sale, of course, comes to you, okay? So that's very, very nice. And then email support and FAQs area. So that's also included in the system as well. So here's a note. Make sure you review everything. Make sure you check out your terms and conditions. Very, very important. You log in here and see 2018 to 2023 copy and paste ads.com, folks, okay? And you log in. It's really easy with your username and password that you created, and you are ready to go into your back office. Go through it. Take your time. You got any questions? I've been doing this a long time, folks. Just, connect with me. I'll be more than happy to help you. I've been working from the comfort of my home, earning a very nice full-time income in my spare time, folks, on a part-time basis using systems like this, folks. So I can absolutely positively help you. It's a wonderful system. It's an easy system, and I'd love to see you on the inside. Welcome in advance to Copy and Paste Ads. You got any questions, text or call me, and I'll be looking forward to meeting you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.